everyone. So Audrey did a number to the buttons on this poor dress. She initially wanted to nap in it and then changed her mind and couldn't get the buttons through the buttonholes. So she just ripped the buttons out during nap time, completely silent. And how did I repair this? Well, in this case, it's kind of a play dress and it has these fun pockets. So I used the same fabric as the pocket to do the repair. So to begin, I ripped out my stitches holding the lining in place as well as the stitches along the neckline. I just need access so I can slide the raw edges of my repair fabric into these gaps. Then I cut out a strip of my repair fabric. The width is whatever makes you happy and covers up your holes with some seam allowance to spare. So next I used some of this German interfacing to cover up the holes and tried to provide some sort of structure and stability to those ripped areas. And now there's a bunch of other types of interfacing that would work, but this German interfacing is super easy to use since it comes in strips from Farmhouse Fabrics, and I will link it down below. So I just ironed my German interfacing on, and then I took my repair fabric and I am ironing over the raw edge about 1/4 of an inch on each side. And then I am going to take that repair fabric and kind of slide it into those gaps, where I previously ripped out the stitches. Just slide into those gaps so the top and bottom of the repair fabric, those raw edges, are concealed. And then I sew along on each side of that repair fabric, going down the dress on both sides. And now it's just a matter of closing out those gaps from where I was, tucked that repair fabric back in and re-sewing the buttons back on and not letting Audrey nap in this dress anymore or undo the buttons on her own, bless her heart. At any rate, it's just one way to repair ripped buttons. I hope it was helpful. If y'all have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I will do my best to answer them. And as always, I appreciate y'all for watching and I hope to catch y'all next time.